Yeah, welcome back, and thank you for your interest. I'm very proud and I'm very happy to introduce now our latest product innovation. And I can explain you the reason why I'm so happy. We have been working and developing the new MAK-20 sample gas cooler, sample gas conditioning system now for more than 2 years, and I can say that we put a lot of effort in developing this. The results we finally see when we do the benchmarking against competitor products is better than expected, and therefore this explains why I'm very happy that I can introduce now this great innovation and this great product. Okay, let's go back. What did we do? I explained already in the introduction video that the most important component of a sample gas cooler is the heat exchanger. It doesn't matter if you're cooling with a compressor cooler, like you can hear this here. This is our MAK-20 compressor version, or if you cool with a Peltier thermoelectric technology. But the most important part is the heat exchanger. And if you want to remember the introduction I made, it's 2 criteria, especially for a product like this. The MAK row is mainly used for emission monitoring applications. That means there has to be a very good compromise between the SO2 washout rate on the one hand side and the outlet dew point on the other hand side. And this describes finally the performance of a sample gas cooler. We managed, if we have a look at this diagram here, with the MAK-20, I'm very happy to announce that we managed to get a super compromise between a low outlet dew point and a very low and constant washout rate. And we even managed to get this with the situation in high flows. Now, what type of heat exchanger did we use, and what are other things we upgraded? As you can see here, this is a so-called jet stream heat exchanger. I would say a jet stream heat exchanger at the moment is one of the most common heat exchanger, but we managed with a certain type of technology, we managed to improve even the existing heat exchanger, jet stream heat exchanger, with this technology. And other features, as we've been reusing, we know that our customer prefer to have the display in the way like you can see this here. The MAK row, doesn't matter if we talk about MAK-10 or MAK-20, has this display which is counting the hours of operation that will come with an alarm in order if there is a maintenance needed. Furthermore, this technology also allows to have a contact and interface to the outside with an alarm contact. This is also possible. And you can read here the cooling temperature, the outlet dew point temperature, or the temperature of the cooling of the cooler. Okay, so next to this extended technology, we have, as you can see in a direct comparison, we improved one thing which came very often as a customer feedback, because now with the new MAK-20 it is possible to change the heat exchanger without opening the housing of the MAK. For the MAK-10 it is needed, you have 5 screws, and these screws you need to open if you want to exchange the heat exchanger. in the new MAK20 this is not needed anymore. Furthermore, you can maybe see that there's a hole down at the MAK20, and in this hole you have the possibility, in order to remove the tubing for the condensate connection for the peristaltic pump, and you can also use this as a drainer, right? So if you don't want to get connected to the peristaltic pump, or you want to use a different heat exchanger, for example, there is no problem. You can easily do this. Another improvement we made is in a direct comparison with the MAK10. Here you can see that the wires, not the power always came from here, but the contact wires are now better protected in this additional extension we have, which can be clipped and integrated. Yeah, the MAK20 comes with two heat exchanger. We have a certain length of heat exchanger, and we will also in the data sheet, I can refer to the data and also to give you an overview of the grade performance. I would like to explain that we will not show absolute numbers. We only would like to show you, because we found out that the testing of the SO2 washout is very delicate and very complicated, and whoever does the testing might come up with different absolute results, but we would like to show the relative performance, and I think this is very impressive. So if you have any more questions, you'll find the data sheet of this new MAK20 sample gas cooler. Again, let me outline that all of the options you can see in the MAK10 will be also available at the MAK20, and therefore I'm very happy to show that we invented this, that we can launch this new product and help you with this very good performance. Thank you very much.